Hello everyone. So in this video, we will discuss about application of arithmetic and geometric sequence. Most of the case would be involving money issue. Anything regarding money lah, hasil loan ke, jual beli, benda-benda yang macam itulah most of our application. Okay, so we proceed with example 18. Alan starts a job on a salary of 9,000 per year and this increased by an annual increment of 1,000. Assuming that apart from the increment, Alan's salary does not increase, find his salary in the 12 years. Part B, the length of time he has been working when his total earning are 100,000. Okay, we go one by one. So, his starting salary would be 9,000. Automatically, that would be our A, starting value in this case. And then increase annually by 1,000. So setiap tahun dia akan naik 1,000. Automatically this is arithmetic sequence. So this will be our B. So our salary on 12 years, Alan's salary, means that we want to find T12. So following the nth term formula of E12, this will be equal to A. So our starting salary 9,000 plus n minus 1, so 12 minus 1 means 11 times D, our increment, so 1,000 there. From here, we can calculate using calculator, so final answer would be RM 20,000. Okay, part B, length of time, maksudnya kat sini duration masa dia, so kita tahu gap tu kita akan kira sebagai term, so we have to find n. He has been working when his total jumlah duit yang dia ada is 100,000. Maksudnya kat sini we have to use SN formula sebab kita nak jumlah duit dia, summation of his money. Okay, so we have to use SN formula. SN in this case is n over 2. N stay as n, kita tak tahu berapa tahun. So 2 times A plus n minus 1 D, our increment just now is 1,000, and then the whole thing must be equal to 100,000 ringgit. From here we have to simplify. Okay, so saya pindahkan dua fraction tu, kita hilangkanlah dulu. Inside that we will have 18,000 plus 1,000 n minus 1,000 will be equal to 200,000. And then simplify once again and then rearrange, we will get a proper quadratic here. So 1,000 n squared and then plus with 17,000 n minus 200,000 equal to 0. This is a quadratic form, so we can factorize this out using calculator straight away from there. N minus 8 n plus 25 will be equal to 0. Means here our n will be equal to 8 and n will be equal to negative 25. For negative 25, we have to reject this as n stand for our year, length of times. Impossible to have negative duration. So final answer n will be equal to 8. Next one, example 19. Okay, so Ali saves his money to buy a new car. Dia nak beli kereta baru. So the first month he saved 200 ringgit. Okay, and then second month 400, and then every month his saving increased by 200 such as 600, 800. So macam itulah, kira dia duit tu dia bertambah setiap bulan. Kalau saya list as a sequence form, dia akan start dengan 200, after that 400, and then 600, 800, and then the list goes on. And if you identify this, analyze this, this is basically once again arithmetic sequence. So 200 will be our A, and then our D in this case will be also 200. Itu dia punya increase monthly. Okay, fine. How much money will he save in the 8th month? So pada bulan yang ke-8, berapa duit yang dia akan simpan? So, kita kenalah cari T8. Term yang ke-8 lah sebenarnya. Sebab masa dia nak tahu bulan ke-8 berapa banyak duit disimpan masa bulan tu. Okay. So, T8 in this case, A kita is 200 plus N minus 1. So, 7 times D, 200. And then calculate this using your calculator. This is basically 1600. Okay, settle. Part B, total saving after 8 months. Maksudnya jumlah duit dia daripada bulan pertama sampai bulan yang ke-8. So, jumpa total, you know we have to use summation formula. In this case, we have to find S8. Ada beza kan? A tadi kita nak tahu T, B kita nak S. Okay, so substitute into our formula. 8/2 and then 2A plus N minus 1, so 7 times D. Okay, so from here, our total saving after 8 months will be RM 7,200 ringgit. Itu jumlah duit yang dia simpan sepanjang 8 bulan. Okay, settle example 19. Moving on, example 20. So, example 20. The price of a new car is 42,000. So, this is the initial price of our car. Maksudnya dah jadi A, first term kita. If the value of the car depreciate at rate 10% each year, maksudnya harga dia akan berkurang sebanyak 10% setiap tahun. Find the value of the car after 10 years. Okay, so if our price marked down by 10% each year, automatically we know this is actually geometric sequence. Dia melibatkan geometric sebab melibatkan persen. Okay, so we need to find our R. Okay, jangan confuse kat sini. 10% is dia punya rate harga tu menurun. So, kalau kita nak dapat the second terms, so sekarang kita dah tahu first term is 42,000. Kita punya second term would be 90% of original price lah. Jangan darabkan dengan 10%. Darab 10% tu kita baru tahu harga berapa dia turun. Kita nak harga sebenarnya lepas turun kan. So, maksudnya dia akan jadi 0.9 times with 42,000. Okay, so here 0.9 would be our R dekat situ. So kena hati-hati sikit kat sini, jangan confuse. Jangan ambil 10%. Okay, find the value of car after 10 years. Okay, ini pun satu common mistake yang student selalu buat. Dia akan pergi cari T10. Okay, ini tak betul, inilah sebab dia melibatkan duration. Okay, 42,000 ni dah jadi T1 kita. Okay, tahun pertama. Okay, lepas setahun pergi ke term kedua, dia baru duration 1 tahun kat situ. Okay, and then dia pergi ke term ketiga, dia baru ambil masa 2 tahun kat situ. So, if our gap duration would be 10 years, maksudnya kat sini kita bukannya mencari T10, kita akan mencari T11 because it's after 10 years from initial one. So, T11 in this case would be A kita 42,000. R is 0.9 to the power of N minus 1 here to the power of 10. Okay, so calculate this. Final answer RM 14,644.49. Itulah harga kereta tu after 10 years. Okay, last question. Example 21. The value of a land in a certain area has increased by 5% each year. Kalau tadi soalan ni dia decrease, sekarang dia jadi increase. 5% melibatkan peratus, so for sure we know this is also geometric sequence question. In the year of 2001, the land was valued at 10,000 kat situ. So 2001 kita akan assume sebagai our first term, 10,000. Okay. Find the value of the land in year 2015. Disuruh cari harga tu. So kalau 2015 after 14 years, so T15 lah. Disuruh cari sebenarnya. Okay, so A kita dah tahu. Kita dah tahu soalan nak apa. R yang kita kena hati-hati. So once again, R jangan ambil 5% because 5% tu dia punya gap dia meningkat. Dia meningkat by 5%. So, kalau kita nak dapatkan harga tu selepas setahun, dia automatik akan jadi 1.05. 105% daripada harga asal. Baru kita dapat harga seterusnya. Ini konsep persen je sebenarnya. Okay, so in this case, T15 will be equal to A initial is 10,000. R is 1.05 to the power of 14. So finally, our land would be 19,799 ringgit 32 sen.